Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am doing my thank you cards for everyone who purchased from me on my online store in April. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to be using the Humming Along cling stamp set Before It's Gone. I'm going to use the thank you. I'm also going to be using oh my gosh, you guys, I just want to use everything before it leaves. So I'm going to be using the gingham. I'm going to be using some lemon lime twist cardstock, of course Whisper White, and then some punches that are going to carry over, some retired punches, and then a new punch, some embellishments, and then of course the lemon lime twist cardstock, and I have a bunch because I have to make each of you who purchase from me a card. So I'm going to start with the first one and we're going to let you see it. So I'm going to be kind of selling along on this one, and reason being is because I do not want you to miss out on anything that may be leaving. So oh, I wanted to tell you something else. This is mine, but I also got one to do a giveaway. And to end out the final month of the catalog, I'm going to be putting together a nice little prize. Each week I'm going to add to the prize, and the prize is going to go to one lucky customer who has purchased from now until the end of May. So, and then we'll do this at the end of May, but this one's going to go in my little bag here of goodies here. This is where I'll keep my goodies. So there we go. So that thing will start packing up, and we'll go ahead and move forward. So I'm not really exactly sure. I know that I want to use this set, and I want to use some retired colors. You guys also, the Stampin' Trimmer is going to be leaving us, so you'll want to get that if you don't have it already. If you do have it, you guys make sure you purchase your blades before they run out. These little guys have already run out from what I hear, because I looked for it and cannot find it. So alrighty, so make sure you get what you need to get. I am going to cut this guy, if you can see, at 5.5. There we go. And then what I actually should have done is probably scored it first, so I only have to score once. But I'm going to score at 4.25. The rest of them I will do that way, because when you are making a lot of cards, you want to do it as easy as possible. So I've got this little guy here, and then to make the most out of the gingham paper, it's 6x6, so I'm actually going to cut it at 3x3. And these are really thin, so I can cut 2 at the same time. And then I'll get a total of 4 3x3s. So there we go. So I'm making this for my first card, but I'm well on my way to getting ready for the next card as well. And I think that's what we've got there. We've got our pieces. And when I make a lot of cards, I try and do them as not as simple as possible, but as simple as possible. It's hard to say. I mean, by making things easier, like using punches and stuff like that. You know, a quick and easy cut would be cute. I just need to decide what side I want to use. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and stamp my thank you. Again, using this lemon lime twist before it goes away. So each week I'm going to add something new. So I'm just going to stick this right in here. So pretty. And it does not have to be perfectly straight. Why, you ask? Because I'm using the new punch that's going to be coming out in the new catalog. And I can line this up right in there. Look how pretty that is. So that bums me out a little bit that it's so pretty, fits in there so well, but it is retiring. Since I have my Whisper White out, I'm going to take this little daisy here. We're going to punch one of these guys out. And you can use one or two, whatever you choose. And then I'm just going to take this little punch and punch him out as well for a nice center that matches very nicely. And this came from one of my Stampin' Beauties. And I'm actually going to try out the different little ones to see if that's the one I like the best, because I might like this one. So see, this one's cute too. Oh, I think I like this one. Tell me in the comments below if you like the one with more of the tinier petals or the thicker petals. I think I like the tiny petals. Okay, so I'm making the first card, and then if I were making all 20 or however many I'm making, I think I'm making 30, I would punch out 30, boom, 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 all in a row. You guys, this is going to be such a nice, cute, quick, and easy card. Let me get out my snail adhesive here. And I'm going to decide what side I like this on. I like the large gingham. Let's see if the thinner, smaller gingham is cute. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, goodness. Let me see here. That one's really cute. Let's see. Oh, goodness. So confused. I think I'm going to do half and half. That'll work, right? All right, so we are going to, for this one, I'm going to use the larger side. And I'm just going to use my snail adhesive on here. And I'm going to put this right up here. And I liked that this is all one width approximately. Then I'm going to take this guy, and I think I need to pump him up a little bit. So I'm going to take a couple dimensionals and put him on here. We'll center that one right up there as well. And then we're going to take this guy. I'm going to use a little bit of Tombow glue on this one. Just a little bit. I like the Tombow glue because you can move it around And if I were smart, I'd be using this side of my little guy to move it around. There we go, see? And then I want to pop that little guy up too. So I'm going to be using my mini dimensionals on this one. And you could pop up every single one of these if you wanted to. This little tool saves my life, I'm telling you. So cute. And then I just have some of these little guys. I could use some of these glitter enamel dots if I want to. Some of these cute little guys that match perfectly. Or we can go off a little bit. I think that's what I'll do here. I'm going to put this one right in there. So cute. Isn't that so cute? And then I think I'll take this guy and I'll stick that right here. And then I'll take another one and I'll stick that right down here. So cute, so easy. And now this little guy is ready to go. Isn't it so cute? All right, that's my thank you card that's going to be going. So if you purchased from me in April, you'll be getting this card from me. If you do purchase between now and the 15th, which you have another week, please use this hostess code. I would appreciate it. So, again, don't forget, this week I am adding this guy to my gift of goodies for my farewell box. All right, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more cards, because those will be coming out. I am loving stamping, if you haven't been able to tell. So, but I've still been getting some of my DIYs in for you guys as well. I hope you like those. And then while I have you here, I was just looking at this. Don't forget that the Everything Rosy, I'm having an exclusive call-in live class. That code is different from this one. So it'll be at 6 o'clock on May 30th. So if you purchase the Everything Rosy, up to 20 people can get in on this call. Now, you do have almost half are gone. So make sure that you get in there quickly if you want to grab that. Okie dokie, if you don't know what the Everything is Rosy is about, I will put the link down below for that video so you could see what it's all about. I may try and figure out how to put it up somewhere up here too. Alright, I've talked long enough. I'm going to go and make all of my cards. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!